The Babycarrier close to you, developed to carry babies up to 15 kilos in weight, has been designed for use in 3 different positions: parent-facing, forward-facing, and on the parent's back. Close to You has been developed in collaboration with pediatricians and ergonomists to guarantee the correct posture of the baby thanks to the special anatomical form of the carrier and an excellent distribution of weight for the parent, aided by the pre-shaped back. The Babycarrier's harness is adjustable to 3 positions to adapt to different body types. In order to regulate the Babycarrier, insert the back panel into the belt loop of the desired size and regulate the rear harnesses by placing the same colour selected for the back in the centre of the safety clasp. At this point, you can wear the harness, close the lumbar belt and regulate the clasps. In order to use the Babycarrier in parent-facing position, fix the carrier to the abdominal belt using the zip and the 2 pressure buttons. Place the carrier on a flat surface. Lay the baby on top of it and close the special padded seat by choosing the most suitable hole according to the size of the baby. The special padded seat has always to be used in parent-facing and forward-facing position. Pass the lower buckles through one of the 3 holes positioned on the shoulder straps and close the upper buckles on the headrest. The carrier is adjustable in height and depth by simply changing the fixing hole and by acting on the belts. Thanks to the use of soft and padded fabrics and the special ergonomic shape, Close to You guarantees a high level of stability and a correct support for both head and neck right from the very first days of baby's life. The Babycarrier, when in the parent-facing position, may be used in the closed position in order to help babies to gather the legs, giving them the chance to rest his feet on the footrest. During the first phases, it is also possible to keep the adjustable folding open and, together with the baby's growth, close them gradually to offer the right level of support. Chicco remembers that the legs should be kept slightly open in a bent position in order to respect the normal anatomy of the articulation and prevent the risk of hip dysplasia. When the physical development of the baby allows it, from approximately 6 months, the Babycarrier can be used in forward-facing position. After having adjusted the padded seat, put the Babycarrier on without closing the upper buckles. Make sure that all of the adjustable foldings are completely open and put the baby in, passing his legs inside the supporting padded seat. Turn the headrest and close it with the 2 upper buckles. Finally, if necessary, adjust the shoulder straps of the Babycarrier until it feels comfortable. From 12 months of age, babies can be carried by placing them on the parent's back. Move the upper sliding buckles to the back of the harness and pass them through the fabric holes. Subsequently, put the harness towards your chest and close the lumbar belt, leaving it slightly loosened, and fix the carrier to the back panel. On the parent's back, the adjustable foldings of the carrier have always to be open and use of the padded seat is optional. Close both buckles on one side of the carrier bag. Put the baby inside in a comfortable position and close the remaining buckles. Rotate the carrier onto your shoulders until reaching the correct, on the parent's back, configuration. Close the sternum's belt and tighten both harnesses and lumbar belt. And now all you have to do is enjoy your walk together.